Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be seeing an integration between Codebeamer and Catia Magic Cybersystem Engineer 2024X. We will start off by adding a new product requirement in Codebeamer. So let's go ahead and do that. And save this. Once this product requirement is synchronized to Catia Magic, we will be able to see the details there. Let's open the project. Here, we have connected to the Omnibus option with the help of the Omnibus plugin that we have installed in the Catia Magic Cyber system. So we have the hierarchy here, at the top of which we have the model, and then we have the package. Let's go ahead and import the record that we have added from Codebeamer. So we have the Omnibus option here, and we click on Import from Omnibus. You see we have the record here. Let's save it. One of the very unique feature of the Kovair Omnibus platform is that you not only get the record that you have created in Codebeamer, but also an inbuilt hyperlink with the help of which, when you double-click on the record, it will directly take you to the product requirement in Codebeamer. So no need to log into the platform every time. Now, let's go ahead and create some other elements so that we can link them with the product requirement. So let's paste it here and save this. So this is the system requirement that we have added. And then we can create a diagram, a requirement diagram. And let's name it as requirement diagram. And we save this. Let's pull in the records one by one. So we have the product requirement, and then we have the system requirement, and then we can establish a link between both of them of type derived, which means the system requirement has been derived from the product requirement. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and send the structure to Codebeamer, and then we can have the entire structure available in Codebeamer along with the record details and the relationship. Let's do that. Let's add to the Omnibus. So, from Model, I have added the entire structure to Codebeamer. So let's go to Codebeamer and see the details. So we change the tracker, and we will go to Models. There we go, and we have the model here. When I double-click on it, I get to see the image that I have added, and the association with the package is yet to be established. So if I open that image, I will be able to see the diagram that I have created. And now if I give a refresh, I will be able to see the association. So the association of the model with the package, it says the package depends on this model. When I click it, I will be able to see the other associations of the package with the product requirement and the system requirement and the model. Here, as well, you get to see the image as an attachment, that is the requirement diagram. Now, let's go ahead and add some other elements and diagrams in Catia Magic Cyber System 2024X. So, we can go ahead and add a block. There we go. We save this, and now this time we can create another diagram that is a block definition diagram. And we can name this as BDD. We can save this, and now in this diagram, we can pull in the product requirement and the block. And we can establish a relation type outgoing dependency with the product requirement. And the relation is successfully established. Now again, the same process, we can go to the model and send the entire update from Catia Magic Cybersystem Engineer 2024X to Codebeamer 2.22. In no time, the entire update that we have made in this platform will be updated in Codebeamer, and we will be able to see the updates in the model as an attachment. We will be able to see the updated block definition diagram that we have created, and then we can see the related package. We can see the different relations of the product requirement, system requirement, and the block. And when we drill down, we will be able to see that the product requirement is linked to the system requirement as well as to the block. Let us go ahead and see that. So, we are in Codebeamer now, and if I take you to the model and again refresh and double-click on the model, you will be able to see two attachments. You see the name. This is the block definition diagram. If I open it, you see this is the block definition diagram that I have created. And now when I go to the association part and take you to the package, with the package you see 4 links, and this time it says that this is the block that depends on this package or it has been associated with it, and then we see the other related items. Now, when I take you to the product requirement, you see this is the entire structure that we have. So, this block came here as a component, and it says that this block depends on this product requirement. Similarly, the system requirement depends on the product requirement, and this product requirement is linked with the package. Here as well, we have 2 images attached. That is the 2 diagrams that we have created. So you see the entire structure is available, starting from the model to the block that we have newly created from Catia Magic Cybersystem Engineer 2024X to Codebeamer, easily and hassle-free. This was a quick demo of the integration between Catia Magic Cybersystem Engineer 2024X and Codebeamer. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.